workshop, November 14, 15 is our outside sales team workshop. This is a full 2 days for advanced training, negotiation, dialogues, conversation, how to serve our buyers and sellers better. Some of the topics we are covering today is how to give access to homes that the buyers cannot find anywhere else, right? Most real estate agents, they're only giving access to homes to the clients that the clients already see online. Absolutely useless. So as we launch into 2019, the question is this: if what you do, the machine can do what you do, then you'll be replaced because the machine is more efficient, more effective, never gets sick. So today has been extremely awesome. Hey, if you're thinking of buying or selling homes, or if you're a real estate agent moving into 2019, I'm inviting you for a backstage tour of our real estate sales team so you can see the inner working of our team. All you need to do, call 626-789-0159.